friends. I've been away for a while. Estaba alejado de esto por algún tiempo. But I'm back now. I'm doing the keto diet. Like I started 8 days ago. Empecé hace 10 días la dieta ketogénica. So I'm gonna try to introduce some recipes to help with that. I'm also learning in the process. Así que voy a empezar a hacer recetas ketogénicas y estoy también yo aprendiendo con esto porque no lo había hecho nunca. So today I'm gonna make something very simple to start, and it's an omelette. Voy a hacer un omelette hoy día, algo muy simple. Para empezar, I'm gonna use, these are the ingredients. I'm gonna use one tomato, one small tomato, un tomate pequeño, 2 medium portobello mushrooms, or small, 2 portobello, 1 white cheddar stick. They told me it was keto, so un poco de queso cheddar, some scallions, un poco de cebollín, 4 eggs, 4 huevos, 2 slices of bacon, 2 tiras de tocino, and a little bit of onion. And if I think of something else, I'll just add it in the way. Here we go. We're just gonna cut this like right like that. We're gonna chop some of the bacon too. I mean, not some, all of it. Vamos a cortar el tocino también en tostitos. I have to say that I'm not very good at cooking bacon because like I get everything smoky in the apartment. Las pocas veces que he hecho el tocino he dejado el departamento lleno de humo, entonces I don't know if it's because I don't wait for the pan to be super hot or it's supposed to be like that. I'm not sure. Start of the show. You missed him? Huh? You miss baby Kronos? Kronos? All he has different is his color. Todo, lo único que tiene distinto es el collar, Cronitos. Ven aquí, Cronito. Say hello. Meow meow. It's weird, but cada vez que every time I chop tomato now, I remember something my dad said to me. Cada vez que corto tomate ahora, me acuerdo de algo que mi papá me dijo una vez que le hice una ensalada. I was making a salad for him, and I was chopping the tomato on my hand. Estaba cortando el tomate en mi mano, de forma muy simétrica, como si lo estuviera cortando así, por ejemplo, in a very symmetric way, I don't know, like that. So I made a salad for him, you know, and he was saying, I guess next night, I was like, hey, do you want me to make a salad for you? ¿Quieres que haga una ensalada para ti? Porque le hice una ensalada yo con eso. Y me dijo, sí, pero déjame cortar a mí el tomate porque no me gusta como lo cortas así tan perfecto. He liked it more irregular, which is, I don't know, I just thought it was funny that he didn't like it because of that. But every time I chop tomato now, I think about that for some reason. I still do it my way, but some greens. Cronos, cálmate, por favor. Calm down. Okay, I'm gonna whisk 4 eggs. Voy a batir 4 huevos. Un poco. I guess I didn't explain what the keto is. Well, this channel is not for that. I'm gonna put my hat now because I don't want the frying oils and stuff on my hair. Voy a poner mi gorro porque no quiero el olor a aceite en mi pelo. I also got a haircut pretty Canadian haircut like a couple days ago. I don't know if you noticed. And he got me a date. Anyway, should have said that. Bueno, the ketogenic diet is about having low carbs, and it's I guess a maximum of 20 to 50 grams a day of carbs allowed, and most of the diet comes from fat. I guess it's between 70 to 80% of fat, and then the rest is protein. So a lot of people think that it's mostly protein, mostly meat that you have to eat, and that's wrong. I think that's the Atkins. I'm not completely sure, but that's a different diet. Okay, summarizing in Spanish now. La dieta ketogénica es una dieta bajo carbohidratos que tiene un máximo de entre 20 y 50 gramos de carbohidratos por día. Se basa en grasas, o sea, es alta en grasas y baja en proteínas. Es entre 70 y 80% de grasas y 20 a 30% de proteínas máximo. Ya, esto está listo, está súper caliente esto. Y put this in here. A little bit of olive oil, un poquito de aceite, not too much, because like we have the bacon. Okay, this is pretty hot. It's almost as hot as me. Ya, está súper caliente esto, casi tan caliente como yo, casi. Yeah, this is how I make it. So it's not a lot. I guess it's not that it's not a lot of eggs, but it's a lot of ingredients. That's exactly what it is. Yeah. No es que no sea un montón de huevo, es que es un montón de ingredientes. And I just noticed that the bacon, I should have done it before, because it's probably gonna be a little bit raw. Yeah. Me acabo de dar cuenta que debería haber sofrito el tocino y quizá los champiñones. Do you know, guys, if bacon is pre-cooked? I don't know. It's smoked, so I guess if it's naturally smoked, can you eat it raw? Like, maybe, hopefully, I have no idea. Okay, now adding some salt. Vamos a añadir un poco de sal. I'm using this, which is cajun or cajun, whatever. I'm using this one. No podía encontrar. That's all. Again, this is my way of doing an omelette. I've also done it the other way where you flip it. También lo he hecho de la otra forma que tú lo doblas, pero esta es la forma que prefiero hacer yo, sobre todo cuando tienes más ingredientes. This is more like a tortilla. When I post this video, you guys let me know if you think that sometimes I say too many things in English and I forget to say it in Spanish, because it happens. It's not that easy to just mix or do dual, you know? Okay, I'm gonna make my coffee now in the meantime, but okay, this is like about good. You can see like the juices from the bacon and the mushrooms and the tomato. Está casi listo para darle vuelta, pero ya se puede ver los jugos. It's gonna go like this and then like this. Okay, looks pretty good, huh? And now this is the part where, okay, it's not that bad. Like basically, I've never un montón de maní, almendra, macadamia, un montón de esa. And I just don't eat carbs. That's it. Okay, we're good to go. Another day, I'll keep telling you about the keto diet. En my experience, otro día les voy a seguir contando sobre la dieta ketogénica. Yo solamente 10 días. This is how it turned out. Así como me salió. En la tortilla o omelette, o como quieren llamarle, está más como una tortilla. Because if you look, I can even. Let's see this. I can cut it in half, probably, right? It's not very. Yeah, look at this. This is how it looks. Pretty good, huh? Uy. I'm gonna try it. Not gonna lie, I already did. Already tried it. It's pretty good. Oh my god. It's really good. Muy buena. Muy buena. Los champiñones. Cheese. You can add more cheese to this if you want. I just didn't have a bigger pan, but I added a lot. Maybe the mushrooms were too much. Too big mushrooms. Oh my god. It's pretty good. Okay. I'm gonna upload the video later and see you on the next video, friends. And ask me for recipes, comment, subscribe, and I see you next. Of course. Nos vemos. Próximo video. Suscríbanse. Ahora voy a comer. Comenten, pídenme receta. Gracias, amigos. Chao.